Introducing the Realme 16 5G, extreme power and elegant design. It features a Dimensity 6300 5G processor for fast, efficient performance and a 7,000 mAh battery that can last up to 3 days on a single charge. Enjoy a larger, smoother experience on its 6.8-inch display. The Realme 16 5G is incredibly light and thin, measuring just 8.1 millimeters thick and weighing 183 g. You'll love the comfortable feel and large 6.57-inch display. The ultra-bright display shines perfectly with 4,200 nits brightness, ensuring clear visibility day or night. Experience incredible smoothness with the 120 Hz refresh rate. The 7,000 mAh Titan battery offers remarkable endurance, lasting up to 3 days. It supports 60W fast charging and provides up to 19.8 hours of Instagram usage. With IP69 Pro-level resistance, water and dust cannot harm your device. This resistance provides durability and peace of mind. The processor runs everything efficiently. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 Turbo 5G, built on a 6nm architecture for powerful performance. The memory handles your life effortlessly. The Realme 16 5G offers up to 12 GB of dynamic RAM, and up to 256 GB of massive ROM storage for all your files and applications. The phone stays completely cool, even under heavy use, thanks to the 6,050 square millimeters vapor chamber cooling system. The cameras capture perfect moments with dual 50-megapixel sensors. Plus, use the unique Selfie Mirror for flawless self-portraits. Is this phone for you? Yes, if you need maximum battery life, work outdoors, or love bright screens. No, if you primarily shoot 4K video or require an ultra-wide lens. The pricing is highly competitive. The 8GB plus 128GB version is 31,999 rupees, with an effective price of 28,999 rupees. Other options include 8GB plus 256GB for 33,999 rupees and 12GB plus 256GB for 36,999 rupees. The Realme 16 5G stands ready, embodying power, durability, and elegance. Experience next-level mobile technology.